Manhattan. We have a T-shirt for you, a fire department.
Oh, look at this! It'll go with these pants. I love that about this shirt. I'm taking it. Okay. Well, Tammy?
Yes.
Something a teacher might carry to school in a briefcase.
How about a writing utensil?
Yeah?
Good answer.
Of course. A utensil writing utensil. Monica.
Yes.
How are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
Okay.
How about a grade book?
A grade book. A grade book.
Yes.
The grade book. Ah. Jesus.
How about her lunch?
The lunch. Okay. Lunch.
I don't know what's number
There's
4.
one more up there. You
Okay.
can sweep the board, Rosanna.
Okay, stickers.
All right. Stickers. Oh, for doing a good job, right? Like a smiley face or itsy.
All right.
Okay.
I'm trying to think if I were a teacher. Probably in my briefcase I would carry a list of the kids in the class.
Good.
The class names.
Yes,
All right. All of the names of the kids in the class. Get ready. All right, Tammy.
All right, it may get messy, but I'm thinking chalk, Richard.
Chalk. Chalk. Okay. Well, yeah. White chalk, and then they got the slappers.
Yes.
Okay.
That was my favorite
All right,
thing
if
to
it's up there, you guys have taken all the points. If not, the Pena family gets a chance to steal chalk. All right, Christy.
I'm going to go with a calculator.
A calculator. Yeah. All right. If it's up there, you guys have stolen the points away from the Vidals. Show me a calculator. I don't know. I'm thinking a gun, maybe. What's number 4? It's a gun! Oh, no. I was kidding!